This is in Cherrapunji. Today is Monday and I am having this anda and Missy is here having Maggie. That's the view. Sufficient. Hi Missy. Hi Missy. Oh, you're so beautiful. So yesterday's weather was like too foggy and rain, so we didn't get time to go out, and today's weather is a bit you can see by yourself. Oh, it's a beautiful view. And there's all my friends are sleeping, and this is like 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna show you. So beautiful. Oh wow, the beautiful clouds. This is
slowly जा रहा वीडियो करना.
So finally we've reached the point. Oh my god, did you hear the sound? It's so pretty. Oh my god. Ah, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, Missy! Ah. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh. Oh wow. The video, so now I am going down and I'll be showing you the guys. Oh wow, it's like trekking. Welcome to per person can do this. Okay, so be careful. Oh my god. Huh? This is the view from the down. Ooh. And now Missy will go and take bath. Oh wow. So finally we reached the destination. Oh my god! It's an adventurous trip ever 2024. I am so blessed. And today is my birthday. And I'm having my birthday with my nature. Ah! Missy! Oh my god, Missy! Ah, my mom is. So finally, my 2024 is like so blessed with the nature, and no words to describe. I feel like everyone should take one day holiday from the office and come to visit. This is Simon Sisters is in Cherrapunji. Oh, wow. So finally we had a wonderful trip, and this is Seven Sisters, and that's me. I have changed my clothes. So finally we are done and we are heading to Guwahati. So this is the final. And that's me.